So this is a Cathedral roof here, and you can see here I've just lifted out this sheet, right, out of here, and so down in here you've just got the batten height, and that's about all there is, right? So there's only normally about 40 mils high for the height of the batten in a Cathedral roof, but if you don't insulate in here and you can't get bats into it, there's no insulation at all. So we can put in 40 millimeters of cellulose fibre, and we can pump that in easily. I've made a special pipe for sliding in there. You can slide in there right the way up to the end. See that? And so I can pump the whole roof, or along. I can pump a good 1.5 meters past the end of the pipe, and pump that full, and so that'll pump it in full, and it puts it in under pressure, so it packs all of that in, and that'll give it a really good insulation outcome. Now I'll do that for the rest of the roof, and so even under the solar panels there, I can slide the pipe through underneath in the bays and fill them up. So